Donald Trump's legal troubles are one step closer to colliding with the Republican nomination schedule. On Monday, U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan designated March 4, 2024, as the first day of jury selection in the Washington, D.C. election interference and civil rights case. Super Tuesday is one day later. Republican nominating contests in California, Texas, and 14 other jurisdictions will be determined immediately against the background of the 45th president's woes. In the weeks that follow, Ohio, Illinois and New York will host their own primaries. Talk about split-screen moments. As Ron DeSantis, Mike Pence, Vivek Ramaswamy, and Nikki Haley try to explain their separate closing messages, assuming they're still on the hunt, they'll be met with an incessant barrage of questions about the X-Men. Just hours before the trial, Trump pressured prosecutors into branding them fascist thugs. The contrast between devotion to law and order and his relentless attack on law enforcement becomes even more acute as the possibility of own conviction is no longer theoretical. Trump's own lawyers did not fail to take their clients' complaints to court. Twice during their presentation, the judge instructed him to lower the fever. Even without TV cameras, the old man needs to be reminded of his commitment to legal team's cause. Like the unstable Roman Emperor Commodus, Trump's anger needs to be quelled. Loyalty is part of survival. In setting a date for early March, the court made it clear that it was unaffected by Trump's efforts to delay. As the trial began, the judge stated that his political calendar would not be a factor. Similarly, Judge Chutkan dismissed the defendant's claim that the case had created new difficulties. Trump's team probably shot his client in foot when they referred to the government's trial as the January 6 vomiting of committee report. At the time, they tacitly admitted that DC's indictment did not break new ground. Trial preparation was manageable. Important information and documents were already there. Beyond that, prosecutors pointed out that Trump's daily social media posts have the potential to pollute the jury pool. His need to anger his own political base may have hastened his own trial. Knowingly, this would not be the first instance of Trump's impulses self-destructive. In its ruling, the court recommended that it watches carefully for anything that could affect or poison the jury pool. Judging by the numbers, Trump turned the blizzard of blame into fundraising gold. His campaign raised $7 million from reservations for the county of Fulton late last weekend. His criminal record now graces coffee mugs and sweatshirts. In same spirit, since his indictment on state charges in Manhattan in March 2023, Trump has been able to win the field of Republicans. DeSantis lost the traction he had hoped for. As the rate of likes decreases, it decreases. But very few things are unalloyed. As doubts about Joe Biden and his age grew, a